Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of wooden tree light designs. These light holder designs looking so nice and simple. This video contains beautiful designs of light holder designs. These wooden candle light holder designs for your room and living room. The designs of light holder I have added to my video are very trendy these days. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains good collection of designs of light holder. These designs very simple and nice. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch this video at the end and take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.